to fix the error Rg45 at chaz.com. It's essential to understand why this error occurs. The error, also known as RP13, typically appears when attempting to sign in and indicates that there's a block on either the account or the IP address. This block may have been implemented if an account was previously closed due to abuse or fair play violations. The only way to resolve this issue is to contact the support team, providing them with the IP address being used to connect and the username of any past accounts. To initiate this process, visit chaz.com and click on the support option at the bottom of the page. From there, select a relevant issue, such as "Why was my account closed?" or something else, which will allow you to start a chat with a support representative. Explain the situation, including the error message received, and provide the necessary information, including the IP address and past account usernames. The support team will then investigate the issue and assist in resolving it as quickly as possible.